In 197 BCE, on a fog-shrouded ridge in northern Greece, two superpowers collided. One represented the Old World, disciplined, towering, and unstoppable when its formation held. The other was new, flexible, adaptive, and hungry for dominance. This is the story of the battle that changed the ancient world, the Battle of Cynoscephalae, where the Roman legion met the Macedonian Phalanx and decided the future of the Mediterranean. It's the height of the Second Macedonian War. Rome, fresh from victory over Carthage, is now turning its attention east. Macedon, under King Philip V, is still powerful, but its influence is slipping. Greek city-states are tired of Macedonian rule and are looking to Rome as a liberator. Enter Titus Quinctius Flamininus, a young Roman commander with a bold goal: break Macedon and reshape Greece under Roman protection. The showdown comes in Thessaly, in a region known as Cynoscephalae, Greek for the dog's heads, named after its uneven, hilly ridges. Perfect terrain for chaos. The battle has reasonably well-attested army sizes from ancient sources, though exact numbers vary slightly among historians, including Polybius's and Livy's accounts. For Rome, Flamininus commanded roughly 26,000 to 33,000 men, consisting of roughly 20,000 to 23,000 Roman and allied infantry, 6,000 to 8,000 Achaean, Cretan, and other Greek allied auxiliaries, and 2,000 Roman, Italian, and Greek cavalry. The Romans also brought 20 war elephants. For Macedon, Philip V commanded roughly 20,000 to 25,000 men, consisting of about 16,000 Macedonian Phalanx infantry, 2,000 to 3,000 light infantry and peltasts, about 2,000 cavalry, and finally, 2,000 to 3,000 Thracian and Illyrian mercenaries. Early one morning, with thick fog blanketing the hills, both armies send out scouts, and they crash into each other. What begins as a small skirmish quickly spirals. Reinforcements rush in, commanders scramble, and suddenly, both armies are being pulled into a battle neither fully planned. On Philip's side, about half the Macedonian army assembles quickly. On Flamininus's side, the Romans form up on the hills. The fight is on. Philip V seizes the moment. He orders the famed Macedonian Phalanx forward, a wall of men bristling with 18-foot pikes. On level terrain, this formation is a steamroller. And for a moment, it works. The Roman left wing begins to crumble under the sheer weight and reach of the Phalanx. Shields buckle. Legionaries fall back. The Roman infantry launch their pila javelins, causing some casualties, but failing to stop the Phalanx. It looks like Macedon might carry the day, but the battlefield isn't level, and the Phalanx has one deadly weakness. It can't turn, it can't adapt, and it absolutely hates fighting on uneven ground. While Philip's Phalanx is pushing on one side, the other half of his army isn't ready, and this is where Rome shines. Flamininus orders the Roman right to attack Macedon's left. On the Macedonian left, troops are still forming up when the Roman right wing slams into them using the 20 elephants, seizing the high ground. The Macedonian line shatters and retreats. What happens next becomes a textbook example of Roman flexibility. An unknown Roman military tribune orders part of the victorious right wing to wheel around and attack the remaining Phalanx from the side. This is the Phalanx's nightmare. With their long spears useless at close range and their formation disrupted by the hilly ground, the Macedonians are cut down. Legionaries swarm through the gaps. The Phalanx collapses. Philip V sees the disaster unfolding and flees with his remaining cavalry force. The battle is over. Macedon loses thousands. Rome loses the war's last obstacle. Cynoscephalae becomes a turning point, not just in the Second Macedonian War, but in ancient military history itself. It proves that the flexible Roman legion could outperform the mighty Macedonian Phalanx, even one descended from Alexander the Great's armies. Soon after, Flamininus famously announces that Greece is now free. But in truth, the age of Roman domination has already begun. The Battle of Cynoscephalae wasn't just a fight between two armies. It was a clash between military philosophies, rigid power versus adaptable strategy. And on those misty hills, adaptability won. If you enjoyed this dive into ancient warfare, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us which battle you want to see next.